Half a smile and zero shame. I got a reflection with a different name. Got a brand new blues that I can't explain. Who did you think I was? Am I the one who plays the quiet songs? Is he the one who turns the ladies on? Well, I keep shouting till my life is gone. Who did you think I was? Who did you think I was? Here is a line that you won't understand. I'm half a boy and I'm twice the man. I carry the weight of the world in the palm of my hand. Oh, who did you think I was? Who did you think I was?